Okay, the 7th question asks you to make up a data set that could be represented by the box and whiskers plot below. Now, we don't know exactly the numbers. That's one of the things about a box and whiskers plot loses some of the information and it just summarizes. It shows that 5-point summary, lowest point, first quartile, median, third quartile, and upper point maximum. It shows that 5-point summary visually. So box and whiskers plot loses some of the information. Histograms also lose some of the information because you're only figuring out the bins. So again, it shows it in more succinct manner. A lot of times dot plots do that too, but sometimes, like in this case, you can see the exact data set. So we don't know the exact data set that came from this box and whiskers plot, but we do know a couple of things. We know that the lowest number has to be 0. So this is a min. We know that there has to be a first quartile of 4. We know that the median has to be 6. We know that the third quartile has to be 8. And we know that the max has to be 17. And so basically, this is the first 25% of the data, second, third 25% of the data, and fourth, the upper fourth. So we need to have the same amount of numbers in between 0 and 4 as we do between 4 and 6, 6 and 8, and 8 and 17. So maybe they only have one number between them. So maybe the data set is just that. And that's the data set we plotted. But maybe they have 2 in between. So maybe there's 2 there, there's another 5 right here, maybe another 7 right there, and then an 11 here. That could be the data set as well. Maybe there's 3 in between each. Maybe this could be a 6, that could be an 8, that could be a 9. So as long as you have the same amount of numbers in each section, and they're between those values, you're going to have a data set that could make that box and whiskers plot.